Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. It's a Mark 7 facelift, 1.5 litre TSI, match Evo 130 PS. Now the car's a stunner and it has the spec to match, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, an automatic post-collision brake, distance monitoring, a forward collision warning, a city emergency brake, and these 16-inch Woodstock alloy wheels. Now the boot's a good size, and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a multi-device interface, a composition media system, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.